Hey everybody, today I'm going to patch up my roof. I've got some previous holes that have some fiberglass over them, and I want to sand them down, put some Bondo over them, smooth them out really nicely, right? And then I'm going to use some Tropi-Cool, and I'm going to paint the whole thing. Well, I'll put a primer over this as well before I do that, when it's flat. So I'm gonna get started, see what happens. I'm so excited to have this camper, and this is really day number 2. I cleaned up all of the caulking along the edges and stuff like that. That's gonna be redone today as well. But I'm gonna get started on these patches, sanding them down with this to start off with, and yeah. I'll show you my progression. Now that I've got all the sanding down on the fiberglass, I'm going to go with this alcohol and some wipes here. I'm just going to clean the surface really, really good. And then we're going to break out some Bondo and get into our next step. Alright, so I've come to the point where I'm going to mix myself some Bondo and start putting an overlay over all of these patches. And then we'll let that dry. And we'll do some more sanding. And then we'll hit it with a nice primer. In the end, I'm going to be painting this whole roof with Henry's Tropi-Cool, and yeah, that should give it a great elastomeric 100% waterproof finish and hide all of these patches when I'm finished with them. So let's get mixing some Bondo. Okay, after sanding all of that Bondo down, I applied 2 coats of this primer right here and sanded that after it's dry. Now to hide these gray spots, I'm going to use this white paint primer to blend them out. And then we will end the whole roof project with Henry's Tropi-Cool. And I'll probably do at least 2 coats of that to seal it all in, and that'll complete our roof project. So let's get blending out these gray spots now with this paint primer, this white paint primer. All right, so now that the white primer paint is drying, I'm going to come down and seal all of the roof edges with this 100% silicone by Henry's. I'm going to do both rails on both sides and around this ceiling fan as well to reseal that. I have to finish this today because it's going to rain tomorrow. So let's get to it.